This presentation is for our private lenders. We are Home Solutions Group of Florida, a residential redevelopment company in South Florida, and we are Thor and Donna Svineswell. Here's a brief bio on us if you'd like to read this, along with our company goals. The best way to describe how we work with private lenders is to compare us with a bank, how a bank works. What a bank does is they, of course, take in money from their depositors, and in return, they give them a very small interest rate. They take those same funds, they lend them out to others for a much higher interest rate, and they keep the difference. What we do is we simply eliminate the middleman. We borrow funds from our private lenders and return a high interest rate to them. In this presentation, we're going to answer 4 questions. Number 1, what is a private money loan? What is the process? What are the benefits of lending to us? And how do you profit? Firstly, what is a private money loan? This is a loan that's secured by real estate, funded by private individuals like yourselves, using your retirement funds, such as 401ks, your IRAs, savings accounts, and it's backed by a real estate lien, which provides you security and protection. And if you choose to invest like this on a regular basis, it can also provide a predictable income stream. You can invest using most forms of your retirement plans, such as your self-directed IRA, 401k, profit sharing, KEO plans, and these are all either tax-free or tax-deferred profits. What is the process? Well, firstly, a private lender like yourself who has funds they would like to invest takes those funds and documents are drawn up, such as the mortgage deed, which is recorded on public records, naming the private lender as the first position lien holder on the mortgage. A notarized promissory note is also recorded for the amount of the loan plus the interest which will be due, and a hazard insurance policy is purchased, naming the lender as the mortgagee in the event there would be any losses to the property. Once these documents are secured, the property is purchased. The home is then renovated, which generally takes between 3 and 6 months. It's placed on the market, and when the home is sold, the principal and interest payments are returned to the private lender. It's that simple. So how do we find homes so far below market value? Well, we do an enormous amount of marketing. We market on the internet using buyer and seller squeeze pages. We have a primary website, homesolutionsgroupofflorida.com. We have a business page on our Facebook. We use Google AdWords, YouTube, Twitter, LinkedIn. We scour the MLS almost daily. We send out many, many mailers. We put out bandit signs, door hangers, and we use wholesalers on a regular basis. So we use an enormous amount of marketing in order to be able to find deals that are far below market value. Here is an example of a property that we did not too long ago. We purchased this for $101,000. As you can see, it needs a lot of work. Here's the after picture, much more attractive. And when we finished the rehab, we sold this for $174,000. Here are some before and after pictures. This is the kitchen. You can see it needs a lot of updating before we started our work. And after we finished, we put in new granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, new cabinetry. Big, big difference. This is the living and dining area. The master bedroom. And the master bath. You can see there's a big difference between the before and after pictures. So what do the numbers look like in a typical loan like this? Well, we purchased this home for $101,000 and rehabbed it for $30,000 for a total investment of $131,000. Now, if the private lender did lend the entire amount of an investment, the total $130,000 at, let's say, 10% interest for approximately 6 months, the private lender would make $6,550. What are the benefits of lending to us? Well, we offer a much higher interest rate than conventional lending. We offer title insurance on the loan. The loan is secured by a deed of trust and a short-term promissory note. Let's look at the difference between private lending versus traditional savings. Now, typically at a bank, for a bank CD, you might get 1.5% interest, probably not even that much. Let's compare that to a 10% interest rate on a private money loan. After 2 months at the bank, you would make $375 as opposed to $2,500 as a private lender. After 4 months on a bank CD, you'd make $750 as opposed to $5,000 as a private lender. And after 6 months, the bank would only pay you $1,125, whereas as a private lender, you would make $7,500. Now, this is assuming a $150,000 investment. Now, how much do you need to invest? Do you only have maybe $25,000 that you would like to invest? You can invest that if you would like. Let's say you lent out $25,000 for 1 year at 10% interest. If you lent as a private money lender, you would make $2,500 on a small loan of $25,000, whereas the bank CD would only give you $375. So there's a big difference here between a private money loan and a conventional type of loan. Most people don't have any idea they can invest their self-directed retirement funds in real estate, and that the profits are either tax-deferred or tax-free. And additionally, their investment is protected with the real estate serving as collateral. Our company, Home Solutions Group of Florida, would welcome an opportunity to work with you as a private lender if you would be interested. So if you're interested in taking advantage of an investment opportunity like this, please complete the opt-in form below, and we thank you for viewing our video.